If your finances look like a tangled mess, you're not alone. The world of financial planning is complex. From retirement and tax strategies to Social Security and estate planning, it's easy to feel lost. That's where wealth advisors who care step in. With over 45 years of combined industry experience, our accredited investment fiduciaries, registered trademark, offer you personalized guidance every step of the way. We're not just managing your money, we're caring for your future. DIY investing can be stressful and time-consuming. You might miss valuable opportunities or make emotional decisions that impact your financial health. But with wealth advisors who care, you get a partner who truly understands your unique needs and goals. Our seasoned advisors provide comprehensive services, including retirement planning, tax optimization, investment risk management, and more. Whether you prefer in-person or virtual consultations, we're here to support you. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with knowing your financial future is in expert hands. No more sleepless nights worrying about your investments or your retirement. Experience the difference of working with a team that genuinely cares about your well-being. Visit wealth advisors who care today and take the first step towards financial confidence. Because your financial success is our priority. Ready to experience the difference? Schedule your free consultation today.